Hello mga loves! Welcome back to my channel, Miss Rosie TV. So after the lecture, demo, and tutorial with Master Leo and Alan, I'm here ready to shoot. I feel so excited and really hoping I can do well, but I am really happy and proud of myself being able to hold a gun and improve concentration. A big thanks to our instructors, Sir Leo and Sir Alan, for helping us with this activity. Okay, so we really have to concentrate and aim for the target, applying all we have learned a while ago. Honestly, I'm being serious about this, but my seriousness wasn't good enough. Better luck next time.
Uy, pangad, mura magyan, nagtabaw dahil. Ano lang, uy, kalma lang, uy.
One last shot. Wala pa rin.
Same height.
Same height.
Bilado gid. The same light bilado. Kini siyang kuan di punsiri pinala. Pag inana nimo.
Thank you so much for watching mga loves. See you in our next video. God bless.
Thank you so much.
Okay.